If you want to save time when filling out tedious PDF forms, like applications, contracts, or reports, this tutorial is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up autofilling for identical text fields in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know how to link fields so entering your information once will automatically update it everywhere it's needed. No more copy-pasting or rewriting. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you're using the Pro version. Some features we'll be using aren't available in free readers. Once the file is open, look up at the toolbar and find All Tools. Click on that, and then select Prepare Form. This part might take a few moments as Acrobat scans your PDF to identify fields. If your form doesn't have fields yet, don't worry. You can add them easily in this mode. In Prepare Form, fields become interactive and editable. This is the heart of making your form smarter. Find your first text field, the box where you want the auto-filled content to appear. You can either double-click right on it, or if it's easier, just right-click and choose Properties. The Properties panel pops up, giving you access to various settings for the field. Now, focus on the General tab. Here's a key detail. You'll see a box labeled Name. This is the unique identifier for the field, kind of like assigning it a nickname that Acrobat recognizes behind the scenes. It's crucial because Acrobat uses these names to link fields together. For example, if the field is for your full name, make a note of its current name. Say it's Name 1. Remember, the name is case-sensitive, so be precise. Next, you'll want to create another text field, anywhere else on the form where you need that same information to show up automatically. Click Add a Text Field and position it where you need. Here comes the trick. In the New Fields properties, type in that exact same name you saw earlier, letter for letter. So if your first field was Name 1, the new one should be Name 1 too. This is what links the two together. Once you've done this, give it a test. Type something into one field and watch as it appears instantly in the other. It feels pretty magical and it saves tons of time, especially for forms where the same info repeats in multiple places. If you have several spots on your form that all need this shared information, maybe your name, address, ID number, in different sections, just repeat the same process for each field. Set them all to have identical names. Don't worry if you have a lot to link. This setup only takes a few moments and really pays off down the line. Once you've linked all your wanted fields, it's vital to save your changes. Click Save IA, choose your file name and location, and you're good to go. Now, every time you fill out this PDF, you'll only need to enter your information once, and Acrobat will handle the rest for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or have other PDF questions. Subscribe for more clear, practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.